Dear students, this is again our maths teacher. Continuation of 12th standard, continuation of inverse trigonometric function. Exercise 4.2, the third question. Is cos inverse of minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse of x is true? Justify your answer. We know that cos inverse of minus x is given pi minus cos inverse of x is true. Okay, the statement is first true. How to prove? Let cos inverse of minus x equal to t. I am taking the left side value as t. So what will happen? The cos inverse will come here. It becomes cos t equal to minus x. Change the minus is x equal to minus cos t. So minus cos t can be replaced by cos of pi minus t. So that is cos inverse of x equal to pi minus t. Cos inverse of x equal to pi minus t. So t equal to pi minus cos inverse x. What I am doing? Interchanging t and cos inverse x. The minus becomes plus and the plus becomes minus. So your t value is nothing but cos inverse of minus x. So is equal to pi minus cos inverse of x. Hence your question is proved, right? Next one is a similar type of question. It's very simple. Find the value of 2 cos inverse 1 by 2 plus sin inverse 1 by 2. So cos inverse 1 by 2 is nothing but pi by 3. Cos inverse 1 by 2 is nothing but pi by 3. The table value like that, sin inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6. So the answer will be 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 6. So what will happen? It is 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 6 becomes 5 pi by 6. So your final answer is 5 pi by 6 like that. This second one is cos inverse of 1 by 2 plus sin inverse of minus 1. So it becomes 5 by 3 minus pi by 2 is nothing but 60 minus 90 is minus 30. So minus pi by 6. The third one, cos inverse of cos pi by 7 cos pi by 17 minus sin pi by 7 and sin pi by 17. So you should know the table formula for cos a plus b. This is nothing but cos a plus b formula I have given. So your question in the form of cos a plus b. Your question in the form of cos a plus b. So it is cos pi by 17 plus pi by 7. It is LCM. 17 into 7 is 119 and 7 plus 17 is 24 pi by 119. That number is lies between 0 comma pi. So we can cancel the cos inverse and cos. So the answer 24 pi by 119. And our next question, find the domain of f of x equal to sin inverse of modulus of x minus 2 by 3 plus sin inverse of 1 minus mod x by 4. So the domain of sin inverse x and cos inverse x is minus 1 comma 1. The x value, what are the numbers your x can take is minus 1 to plus 1. It cannot be more than that number or less than minus 1. So the inside argument you have to write in between the minus 1 and plus 1. Simplification, it is minus 3 less than or equal to mod x less than minus 2 is less than 3. That becomes, we take minus 2. Here you will get plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2 becomes minus 1. 3 plus 2 becomes 5. That implies minus 1 is no need because your mod x is less than or equal to 5 means it can take value from minus 5 to plus 5. So mod x is less than or equal to 5 for sine function. So next we have to start for cos inverse. So your cos inverse of 1 minus modulus of x by 4 is nothing but minus 1 less than or equal to 1 minus mod x by 4 is less than or equal to 1. So again the 4 we are multiplying, it becomes minus 4 less than or equal to 1 minus modulus of x is less than or equal to 4. That becomes minus 5 less than or equal to minus mod x less than or equal to 3. So when you are multiplying the minus, it will be minus 3, right? So here it is minus 3. So minus 3 less than or equal to x mod x less than or equal to 5. That is again we are getting mod x is less than or equal to 5. In case 1 is also less than or equal to 5. Case 2 also less than or equal to 5. So minus 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to plus 5 is your answer. And the next one, g of x equal to sin inverse x plus cos inverse x we have to find the domain. So again your domain of sine inverse and cos inverse both lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Then the domain of g of x is also minus 1 to plus 1. Okay. And for what value, the next question, for what value of x the inequality holds, right? We have to check the value of x. So it is given pi by 2 less than cos inverse of 3x minus 1 less than pi. So the cos, it will be cos pi by 2 3x minus 1 less than cos pi. It is 0 less than 3x minus 1 less than minus 1. But here positive, here negative is not possible. So we can understand the inequality and then we can rewrite as minus 1 less than 3x minus 1 less than 0. So when you are taking minus 1 both sides, it will be plus 1. So 0 less than 3x less than 1 becomes 0 less than x less than 1 by 3. So find the value of cos inverse 4 by 5 plus sin inverse 4 by 5. So one of the 2 mark question. You have the property of cos inverse x plus sin inverse x equal to pi by 2. Similarly, your value is nothing but pi by 2, but we know that cos pi by 2 is 0. So answer of this question is 0. And here cos inverse of cos 4 by 3 plus cos inverse of cos pi by 4. Actually your bracket ends here. This part is separate and here it is second part. So that will be cos inverse of 4 by 3 equal to cos of pi plus pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 or whatever the number I already explained to you, you have to take pi plus or pi minus. So cos, it is pi plus pi by 3 is nothing but minus cos pi by 3. So wherever cos pi plus pi by 3, you can rewrite as cos pi minus pi by 3. So no need to go for minus cos pi by 3. This is nothing but minus pi by 3. So pi minus pi by 3 value 2 pi by 3. Sir, why we need this type of conversion? Your domain is range of cos inverse x is lies between 0 comma pi. So we are converting into that number should lies in 0 comma pi. 4 pi by 3 is beyond your 0 comma pi. So we are converted into 0 comma pi. Like that your cos pi by 4 also cos 3 pi by 4. Both numerical values are equal. Therefore your cos inverse of cos 4 pi by 3 plus cos inverse of cos pi by 4. The answer will be 2 pi by 3 plus 3 pi by 4. The sum will be 17 pi by 12. So thank you students. For continuation you follow the channel.